Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new topic of EVS. But we will start our day with positivity, means positive thinking. Lesson 1 is our body. As our body is like a machine. It is made up of many parts. Each part helps the body to do different things. Let us recall the functions of the parts given. You have already learned that these parts help us to sense and feel everything around us. Now we will discuss about different parts of our body. As you can see, different parts of our body. Some parts of our body are outside and can be seen. They are called external parts. Students, the parts that we can see outside, like nose, arms, legs, are called external parts. Now we will discuss about internal parts of the body. Some parts are inside the body and cannot be seen because they are inside the body. They are called internal parts. The brain, heart, lungs, and stomach. These are some internal parts that we can't see because they are inside our body. As you can see in this picture, body parts are given that you can see outside. So these are also called external parts. Head, arm, knee, foot, face, chest, stomach, thigh, leg. As you can see these parts, these are outside the body. So these are called external parts. As students, what you have to do? You have to label the eye, nose, ear, head, hand and leg on the given picture. Can you label the cheek, lips and chin? Now we will discuss about internal parts. Yes, you can see this is brain. The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think, learn, remember and do many other activities. The brain also helps our other parts to work properly. Now, heart. Place your hand on the left side of your chest. After running or doing an exercise, do you feel something beating? It is the heart. The heart lies inside our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. So students, tell me where heart lies? It lies inside the chest. And what it does? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Now, lungs. Close to our heart are a pair of lungs. We breathe with the help of our lungs. We breathe with the help of our lungs. You know, they are like balloon. They are like balloon. When we fill air in the balloon, like in the same way we breathe inside, they start to spread. But when we leave the air outside, okay, when we leave the air outside, they again take their same position that they were having earlier. Now, stomach. The stomach helps us to digest the food. Stomach helps us to digest the food that we eat. It is present below the chest. Now we will talk about bones and muscles. Apart from these parts, our body also has bones and muscles. There are a total of 206 small and large bones in an adult human body. These give shape to our body. Muscles cover our bones. Bones and muscles help our body to move. For example, the muscles of our neck help us to turn our head. As you can see, now students, if we want to stay fit and healthy, we should look after our body. We should eat healthy food and drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. We should exercise regularly, sleep for about 8 hours, and keep our body clean. So, students, healthy children learn better. So, stay healthy and fit. Live at home. Bye bye. Have a nice